Have you ever thought that paint colors could be the key to transforming the look of a room? When it comes to home decor, wall color is one of the most impactful choices you can make. By choosing the right color, you can create a calm, cheerful, or even luxurious atmosphere. In this video, we've compiled a list of the 10 best paint colors for various decor styles. You're guaranteed to find new inspiration to beautify your home. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more home decor tips and tricks. Number 1. Antique Coral by Benjamin Moore. Antique coral is a rich, warm hue that brings a touch of elegance and charm to any room. This color is a blend of soft pink and orange tones, making it a versatile choice for various decor styles. Best rooms to use antique coral. Antique coral works beautifully in living rooms and bedrooms, where it can create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. It's also a great choice for dining rooms, adding warmth and sophistication. Pairing suggestions: pair antique coral with soft neutrals like beige or cream for a balanced look, or combine it with deep greens or blues for a more dramatic effect. This color also pairs well with metallic accents like gold or bronze, adding a touch of luxury. Number 2. Greenhow Blue by Benjamin Moore. Greenhow Blue is a fresh, crisp blue with a hint of green, evoking the tranquility of the sea and sky. This color is perfect for creating a serene, peaceful environment in your home. Ideal spaces for Greenhow Blue. This shade is ideal for bedrooms and bathrooms, where its calming effects can be fully appreciated. It's also a great choice for home offices, helping to create a focused and productive atmosphere. Complementary colors. Pair Greenhow Blue with whites and soft grays for a clean, modern look. For a more traditional style, combine it with warm wood tones or rich, earthy colors like terracotta. Number 3. Arsenic by Farrow and Ball. Arsenic is a bold, unconventional color that falls somewhere between green and blue, with a slightly retro vibe. This shade is perfect for those who want to make a statement with their decor. Rooms that benefit from this color. Arsenic works well in kitchens and bathrooms, adding a pop of color without overwhelming the space. It's also a fun choice for accent walls or furniture, bringing a touch of vintage flair to your decor. Styling tips. Pair arsenic with white or black for a striking contrast, or combine it with softer pastels for a more playful, eclectic look. This color also looks great with metallic finishes, adding a modern edge to its retro appeal. Number 4. Coral Reef by Valspar. Coral Reef is a vibrant, energetic shade that brings a burst of color to any room. This lively hue is perfect for creating a cheerful, uplifting atmosphere in your home. Best decor styles for this color. Coral Reef works beautifully in tropical or coastal-themed spaces, where its bright, sun-kissed tones can shine. It's also a great choice for children's rooms or playrooms, adding a fun, playful touch. Accent ideas: pair Coral Reef with crisp whites and cool blues for a beachy vibe, or combine it with bold patterns and textures for a more eclectic look. This color also pairs well with natural materials like wood or rattan, enhancing its tropical appeal. Number 5. Tranquil Blue by Dulux. Tranquil Blue is a soft, muted blue that evokes a sense of calm and relaxation. This color is perfect for creating a serene, peaceful environment in your home. Spaces where this color excels. This shade is ideal for bedrooms and bathrooms, where its soothing effects can help create a restful retreat. It's also a great choice for living rooms, adding a sense of tranquility to your space. Harmonizing with other colors. Pair Tranquil Blue with soft whites and grays for a clean, modern look. For a more traditional style, combine it with warm wood tones or rich, earthy colors like taupe or beige. Number 6. Aubergine by Behr. Aubergine is a deep, rich purple that brings a touch of drama and sophistication to any room. This bold hue is perfect for creating a luxurious, elegant atmosphere in your home. Using aubergine in modern interiors, aubergine works beautifully in modern, minimalist spaces where its deep, saturated tones can take center stage. It's also a great choice for accent walls or furniture, adding a touch of opulence to your decor. Design combinations: pair aubergine with soft neutrals like gray or white for a balanced look, or combine it with metallic accents like gold or silver for a more glamorous effect. This color also pairs well with deep greens or blues, creating a rich, layered look. Number 7. Hail Navy by Benjamin Moore. Hail Navy is a classic, timeless shade that works well in a variety of settings. This deep, rich blue is perfect for creating a sophisticated, elegant atmosphere in your home. Perfect settings for this deep blue. Hail Navy is ideal for living rooms, dining rooms, and bedrooms, where its rich, saturated tones can create a cozy, inviting environment. It's also a great choice for kitchens or bathrooms, adding a touch of sophistication to these spaces. Color pairing recommendations: pair Hail Navy with crisp whites or soft grays for a classic look, or combine it with warm wood tones or metallic accents for a more modern style. This color also looks great with bold patterns or textures, adding depth and interest to your decor. Number 8. Origami White by Sherwin-Williams. Origami White is a soft, warm white that works well in a variety of settings. This versatile shade is perfect for creating a clean, modern look in your home. Minimalist design with this shade. Origami White is ideal for minimalist or Scandinavian-inspired interiors, where its soft, neutral tones can create a calm, uncluttered environment. It's also a great choice for small spaces, helping to make them feel larger and more open. Creating contrast, pair Origami White with deep, saturated colors like navy or charcoal for a striking contrast, or combine it with soft pastels for a more subtle, understated look. Number 9. Stardew by Sherwin-Williams. Stardew is a soft, muted blue with gray undertones. This color is perfect for creating a subtle, sophisticated look. Subtle sophistication of Stardew. Stardew is a color that exudes quiet elegance. It's perfect for those who prefer understated decor. Ideal rooms for this color. This color works well in living rooms, bedrooms, or any space where you want to create a calm, relaxing atmosphere. It's also a great choice for open concept spaces, where it can serve as a unifying color. Number 10. Apricot Whisper by Valspar. Apricot Whisper is a warm, inviting shade of peach that adds a touch of softness to any room. This color is perfect for creating a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. This color brings a sense of warmth and comfort to any space. It's perfect for rooms where you want to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Where to use this inviting hue? Apricot. Whisper works well in living rooms, bedrooms, or even kitchens. It's also a great choice for entryways, where it can make a warm first impression. Accent colors for a balanced look: pair Apricot Whisper with soft neutrals like cream or beige for a balanced, harmonious look. You can also add accents in contrasting colors like teal or navy to create a more dynamic space. Choosing the right paint color is essential for creating the perfect atmosphere in your home. Whether you're looking for something bold and vibrant or soft and soothing, the 10 colors we've highlighted in this video offer a range of options to suit any decor style. From the warm, inviting hues of antique coral and apricot whisper to the cool, calming tones of greenhow blue and stardew, there's a color here for every space. Thank you.